Welcome to LFA's TDP Vive video on replacing your tooling. Learning to change your tooling is vital when it comes to maintaining your machine. Over time, tooling sets will need to be replaced due to wear, damage, or just changing the shapes and sizes of your tablets requires a new tooling set. Remove the ejection tray by removing the two screws at either side. Now remove the set screw securing the timing bar, and then undo the nut which secures the second bolt holding the timing bar in place. Now remove the second bolt. This will release the timing bar. Be careful of the cam wheel at the top of the timing bar, as this will also be loose. To remove the boot, first we remove the set screw which secures the boot bolt and spring. Now remove the boot bolt and spring by hand or grippers if needed, turning clockwise. And now the boot will be free. Next, turn the flywheel to give you access to the upper drift pin assembly and your upper punch. Undo the punch locking nut with two wrenches, one on the upper drift pin assembly and the other on the locking nut. Pull out the upper punch by hand. Remove the set screw at the front of the base plate which secures the die in place. Your die will now be free. Turn the flywheel and your die should push up out of the base plate. Take it out by hand or with grippers if needed. Next, remove the lower punch set screw which secures the lower punch. Now remove your lower punch. Insert your new lower punch. The lower punch can be identified by having a longer neck and also having a keyed flat spot. Reinsert your lower punch set screw and tighten, but do not over tighten. Now place your new die into the base plate and tighten up the die set screw on the front of the base plate. Again, careful not to over tighten. Insert your new upper punch and then tighten the upper punch locking nut to secure. Place your boot back and first secure the boot bolt and spring, and then secure the boot set screw. Replace your timing bar and tighten the first securing bolt, and then place the nut on the opposite side. Now replace the timing bar set screw. Finally, replace your ejection tray with the two screws. Make sure to always test by rotating the flywheel by hand. This is critical to ensure correct alignment and to prevent damage to your tooling. For more information, products and guides, please visit www.lfatabletpresses.com.